become the right person that actually matters. And every day I drive my car to my little job, and I find some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah, I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah. And the moods that I hate, I tend to embrace. Wonder why I'm so opposite, I'm so backwards and upside down. I'm such a clown, but I've got no